Honestly, I was thinking of starting this series with a video about cooking without cooking anything. That's quite funny, right? But since I already have some of the ingredients available, I will cook something simple for you. Okay, so let's get started. But before we start with anything, I just want to tell you something about me. I don't like spending much time doing chores or cooking. I do not like it. Of course, if I can avoid it, I will. But there are times I have this burst of energy and I just want to do everything all at once. Well, to save time, energy, and effort, that's what I usually do. It usually happens whenever we come home from the grocery. And we have a lot of stuff. The frozen meats are almost tender. So instead of putting them in the freezer, then thawing them again for another day, no, I cook them right away. A friend of mine was here one time when we got home from the grocery and I was fixing everything, cooking everything, and then he was saying, "Oh, slow down, why are you in a hurry?" And then my husband tells him, "No, she's really that way because she wants to do it all in one go." I don't want to prolong the agony of putting things in the cabinet or cooking and all that stuff. Oh, yeah. And I also like multitasking. Yes, I do. The first time I had this idea of cooking for you guys, I totally scrapped it. Because as I was looking through the vast videos in YouTube about cooking, they were all so organized. And me, if we are being real here and honest, I am not that way. I do prep and clean right after I do stuff, but I move fast. So
it really is a chore
for me to do a cooking tutorial that, okay, measure 5 cups of this, 1 kilo of this, and then whatever. So here it is. I will try my best to record everything that I do, and you'll see me as I move around the kitchen. Yes, I will try to show you everything I do, give some instructions, zoom in on specific things. But this first video, you will see how I do everything all at once. Okay, are you ready? Step 1. Assess the situation. Okay, so I have these mangoes. I wanna make pickled mangoes and my bananas are already ripe, so I can do some things with this. For now, I wanna boil them. Okay, and then I have a pile of dishes that I need to clean. And for now, that's it. Let's keep it simple. So, what do I do first is I will boil some of these bananas. Maybe I'll just boil 6 of it or 8. Depends. 1, 2, 3. I'm cutting it off from there. Yeah. I will boil 6 of it in this pot. So what I do is I'll wash them first, put them in the pot, fill it with water, just enough so that the bananas are in the water, and then put it on the stove and turn it on. I like putting the lid on so that it will boil faster and be more efficient. Oh yeah, the bears! Okay, so while waiting for that, I'm moving on to the mangoes. Ooh, this is bad. Ready? They're kind of sticky. They have sap on it, so I'll be washing it. You'll see me washing and washing and washing a lot in this video because I hate sticky stuff. Yeah. And then where's my peeler? I'll get my peeler. Here's my peeler. And then I will start with peeling all these mangoes. Oh my god, after 10,000 years, I'm still peeling. I hate this. No, okay. There are a lot of ways to prepare or make pickled mangoes, but this is what I do because I have no EQ. I have no patience to wait for soaking overnight and all that stuff. The reason why I love cooking is because it's instant gratification for me. Like you start it and end within an hour and it's done, you're happy, and you can eat it, and it's all well. So now I'm done, finally done peeling all these mangoes. I have 7. I'm gonna wash them again. And then chop. Okay, maybe you need a different view for this. Let's try. There. Good. Yeah, just take it off the bone. My knife is so big. Okay, you want to chop it into strips. So if that's, yeah, you like to chop it that way. And come up with this size, okay? I can hear my bananas boiling, so let's check on that. Ooh, not yet done. Okay, so I'm finally done chopping. My bananas aren't done yet. Okay, this is what I have left. So, upon seeing how much mangoes I have, I will get a container for that. Okay, now for this, I want to use glass containers. I'll divide it into 2 because, oh wait, before I put it there, I need to rub salt on it. Okay, salt. I'm rubbing salt on it. Okay, done with that. And then putting it here. Yeah. I'm dividing it into 2 because the other one I will give to my mom. Yeah, she requested me to make some for her as well. So, Ma, this will be ready in 2 days. I did a first batch and it took 2 days before all the flavors seeped in. Now, we move on to the sauce. Okay, it's ready. I'll be using this because I only need a small amount. And, okay, why not use a big pan? Because I want to save on the heat and energy. If I'm not going to cook something that will fill this whole pan, I won't. It's a waste of energy and time of heating, so I will use this. Okay, for this I learned the ratio. We are talking ratios here because we are assuming that we do not have cups, measuring devices, and all those things. Okay, so for the sake of that, we will talk about ratio. So for this, we will only be needing 3 things: water, sugar, and vinegar. Okay, so the ratio is 1 cup of water is to 1 cup of sugar is to half a cup of vinegar. Okay, so for these 2, I'm thinking of using 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and half a cup of vinegar. Okay, so I'm turning on the pan so that it will start heating. Okay, that's purified water. And while waiting for it to boil, I will start prepping my sugar. Okay, it's not boiling yet, but I think, oh there, nice, I love it. My bananas are ready. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, this is a good healthy snack. Here's another thing. Who loves washing plates? I don't think anyone loves it. Like, we only begin to like it because we need to do it sometimes or most of the time. But me, I'd like to keep that chore as minimal as possible. So, okay, I have this and I need to pour out the water. So what I do is, I won't get a strainer. I don't want to wash that shit. There, like that. Yeah, but sometimes you won't be able to take out all the excess fluid with that. Wait, I can hear mine. Okay, it's fine. I have time. Okay, so you can. Oh, I want to put this in a bowl. You can use a fork to get it out. Okay, just use a fork. It's easier to wash a fork than a huge strainer. There, see? There. Got it. And I can hear my water simmering. So I move on to that. I mix in my sugar. And I need 1 more. Okay, and then I mix it. Did you see that? I used the same spoon. Yeah. I have a lot, but sorry, I don't want to add that to the stuff I'll be washing later. Okay? Okay, so while that's happening, look at my vinegar. It's huge. It came from the province. I love it. It's coconut vinegar. And a ½ cup vinegar. I will add this in once the sugar is already fully melted. It's hot. I can hear and feel some of the crystals there, still there. So yeah, a little more time. So while that's happening, I will throw all this trash away. Yeah, because I want it to be clean. I can really practice clean as you go. Okay, again, mix it a bit. Okay, I can't feel any sugar crystals anymore. Now I add in the vinegar. You know, I think it's also nice that I have such a small kitchen, a tiny kitchen, because everything's so accessible and fast. Like I can just throw in dirty plates there and then turn around and mix this. Okay, I'll just wait for it to simmer a bit and then it's done. We're done with that. Wiping tops. That's my biggest complaint whenever my husband does the cooking. It's like, I tell him it's like a grenade exploded on our kitchen. Sometimes we have this rule that, he who cooks does not wash. Okay, so now I pour this into this. Can you see it? Wait. A different angle perhaps. There. Nice. Okay. Nice. We will wait for this to cool and then put it in the refrigerator. But wait, I have something to show you. This was a batch I made 3 days ago. Okay, so there it is. And Okay, this is one pet peeve of mine. Look at the container and look at how much stuff is inside. I will transfer it to a smaller container because since it's not hot, I can transfer it to a plastic container. I'll use this spoon. The one I used for mixing. Okay, I won't be adding all the sauce. I don't need that. Look. Okay, and then put this back in the rack. Okay, so we're done. I was hoping to squeeze it in, washing in the plates while doing that, but everything just happened so fast. So until next time, I'll see you with more tips, more food, and the joy of cooking. Okay, I'll see you again next time. Bye!